Yo, Prof here, and that's getting a bit harder and stronger than usual, but we are doing something that I've been waiting for a bit here. This is a Shining Fates Elite Trainer box, and it's sealed. Yeah, most of these that you see me open are Amazon warehouse returns. This too is from Amazon, but the actual Amazon, the real Amazon, you know, the one where I really shouldn't have to be worried about this being repacked and shit. And I did check, because my last Elite Trainer box was like the booster boxes that had the little Pokeballs on it. This one, Shining Fates, does not come like that, because I was worried initially, because I'm used to the Elite Trainer boxes, like the booster boxes, come with the wrap that's got Pokeballs on it. So this is about as legit as everybody else's look that I saw. So hype. In here, let's take a sneaky peek at what we're supposed to be getting in here. We got 10 Shining Fates booster packs. By the way, I want this freaking massive Eevee. Something bad. Hopefully it comes in there. Oh, one foil promo card featuring Eevee VMAX. Well, problem solved. I have Giant Eevee. 65 card sleeves featuring Giant Eevee. Okay, cool. 45 energy cards. Sure. Player's guide. Rule book. 6 damage counter dice. Flip die, acrylic condition markers, and a collector's box with dividers. That's an online card. So, yeah, let's get cracking on this guy. And I just need to snap some pictures really quick for my records, and thumbnails and stuff like that. And Hamlet has showed up because I started talking to the camera. I think he's under me right now. So, we'll be right back. Also, let me know what you think. This is single light. We're at the workbench now. Much more comfy. I can put my legs under the table. I can be much closer to what I'm working on. Much more ergonomic. This is just a single light focused right at it. That's what we got right now. I really don't feel like dragging another one over here. But, otherwise, we can have that on. Now, that's more light, but I think it's harder to see what I'm actually doing. Let me know. Otherwise, if you guys have suggestions, I'm looking for like these are what like Gorilla Pod legs look like. They make things like this. I have one for my GoPro, but the RX0 Mark II needs a standard tripod mount. It's got a clampy boy on it. Clamp. Give them clamps, And then it's got a big old thick bendy piece like this, so you can adjust it wherever you want. Then I can have this, like right now I'm on the taller Gorilla Pod, until we start opening packs. It'd be nice if I could just move it around to make it shorter, and then when I need it taller, it's just clamped to the desk, real solid, like, or workbench, I should say. And it'd be nice to have those for lights, too. I don't know if they make specific ones with lights on, or if you can just, get a light with a tripod mount and then use the tripod arm. And two nice, I've seen those super diffused, they almost look like circle lights that are flat. I don't know if those are the right thing to go with, but I know we need pretty darn diffused lights since it's going to be very direct. But if you guys have suggestions, throw it down in the comments, please. Otherwise, you can always hit us up over on Twitter. My personal account's The Prophecist on Twitter, Instagram. Otherwise, you can hit up the channel at Tech Exchange, though. That is also where you can go for the most current video announcements and stuff like that. And on my personal Twitter, if you ask me and tell me what video you watched, you probably get a free code for online, Just hit me up there. Alright, so I learned, but it took me so long to learn that I killed the battery. Whoop whoop. So the SV are the shiny ones. So they are alt art, but they're shiny alt art. And there's a lot of them. So even though this deck is like 072, okay, so SB 120, I don't know, there's a lot of them though. They have a shiny Snom, which I want. Alright, pack number 6, 7, 8, yeah, 7. This one's not going well. Alright. On the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. The water. Fire. I'm exactly wrong. Team Yelto. Thwacky. Gym Trainer. Roll It. Choodle. I think I have a ton of Choodles. More Pico. Coughing. Glossifleur. Edelgoss. Reverse Hollow. Ooh, followed by a Luxray Hollow. But another very, like, not worn, but just poorly. You can see right there. It goes all the way. I don't think it's supposed to do that. See? I thought those were just supposed to be in the art region. I might be wrong. Correct me down in the comments if I am. But that'd be like starting to see hollow on the Edelgoss here, which you actually kind of do. Maybe I got like cards towards the end of the printing run or something. I feel like I have a reverse hollow Edelgoss ready. Yeah, this Luxray. A lot of electric cards look dope. Proper hollow. See what I mean here? They just look good. Stack these guys back up here. Pack number 8. And we're on to the Charizard. That means I'm getting Charizard, right? You see the Charizard on the front? And we had, in order to pull all these, like if you want the hollows and the shiny hollows, that's a lot of cards. It's a lot of cards. I do like the shinies though. They're all pretty dope. Alright. First Charizard pack. Pack number 8. On the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm feeling grass energy. Nope. Have I been right yet? The answer is most definitely not. Electric. Tropius. Gym Trainer. Rotom. Nickit. Roll It. I feel like I'm getting more duplicates on commons because there's so many hollows. Like there's hollows, there's reverse hollows, there's shiny hollows. Trapinch, Buizel, Coughing, that dude pops, Centiskorch, VMAX, followed by a Celebi, non-hollow, rare. Alright, Centiskorch, VMAX, not bad, not bad. That guy, he crazy. Alright, we got 2 more packs. Pack number 9. Also, you know, definitely gonna pull the Charizard. That's why he's on the pack, right? Come on, Charizard. Actually, I want the shiny Snom. That's what I really want. Shiny Snom, here we come. Pack number 9. Online card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire energy. Nope, electric again. Luxio. Floatzel, Dartrix, Horsey, Qfant, Chewtle, Yanma, Morpeko, Nickit Reverse Hollow, and Professor's Research. Struck out there, guys. Struck out. And our last Shining Fates pack out of the Shining Fates EVV Max Elite Trainer box is this Charizard one. Pack 10. Up 10. All these are super loose. I've noticed that. Like, listen to that. Super loose. There's gonna be Reverse Hollow Snom here. Not Reverse Hollow. I already have a Reverse Hollow Snom. Shiny Snom. Shiny Snom. Here we come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy. Fighting. Cramorant. We got plenty of him. Team Yellowtail, plenty of those. Thwacky, plenty of those. Horsey. Yanma. Morpeko. Coughing. Glossifleur. And Shiny Minccino. Minccino? Something like that. Shiny. And a Greedent V. There we go. That's a pretty good last pack there. You know? There, hey. All of my shinies have been in great condition. It's the straight up hollows that have been. Anybody know what happens to cause that? Because I don't think, like, I've seen a lot of the ones that get repacked from Amazon be the ones where, like, you can see hollow where you're not supposed to be able to see hollow. Alright. Well. Let's do a recap of what I all pulled. How's that sound? Alright, we're just picking these guys up. That was a Galarian wheezing. I thought it was just normal wheezing. Alright. I think we did it pretty darn well. I am still going for that shiny Snom. If you guys have one, I don't want one. Hit me up, yo! Alright, first up. I also sleeved the fat, totally not fat, Gigantamax EVV Max. Alright, that's first up here. The card from the Elite Trainer box that I never see when I open up the ones that are pre-opened, because that's the first thing they jack. Labeled that right up. Morpeko Reverse Hollow. Snom Reverse Hollow. Like, was kind of hyped about this, but now I know shiny Snom exists. That's what I want. Then we got Reverse Hollow Luxio. Pretty sure I'm already rocking that. Our first pull of the night is the Cramorant VMAX. Not my favorite Pokemon, but good pull nonetheless. Then we have a shiny Dracovish and a shiny Qfant. I do appreciate the art on these. Then we have a Phalanx V, a Galarian Wheezing Hollow. I appreciate the pull. Like I said, this one does continue down into the card. As you can see there, like the lettering or the description area. So I don't think that's good. Correct me if I'm wrong though. Then we had Reverse Hollow Edelgos. Pretty sure I already have it. Luxray Hollow also continues down into the description area. Centiskorch VMAX. It is an SP. I don't know if that means it's a shiny or not. Because usually the shinies are like the single guy in the middle with the things. Then we have a Nickit reverse hollow. I think I've re-pulled that one. Minchino, shiny, and a Greedent V. Well, let me know how it did, how you think I did on the pulls, and what would you go after in Shining Fates? Now that I know that there are a ton of shinies, yeah, there's actually far more of those, it seems, than normal cards. At least just looking through the book. What way would you want? I'm tired. I'm going to go into sleep because it is a little bit after 1. And, yeah, if you liked it, like. Yeah, if you want to see more of this stuff, I definitely got more Shining Fates coming. Got a whole bunch of Amazon Warehouse Pikachu V boxes. Now, whether or not they have like real contents in, you'll have to turn in and find out. And I actually don't even know right now. So I was going to do that before this, but I really wanted just to chill tonight and open something I would enjoy. Especially with, we led previous this with a tin from Amazon Warehouse that was just garbage. So, yeah. Yeah, subscribe, hit that bell. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. And hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time.